Hi everybody, it's Robin from Robin's Online World, and I'm the Missouri Mom from Mom TV, and I wanted to let you know about an event happening this Friday, November 5th from 4 to 6 p.m. around the entire state of Missouri. It's called Farmers Care About Feeding Missouri, and it's a big food party. Instead of us getting the food, we are donating food to Missouri's hungry. And sadly, Missouri ranks 6th in the nation for food insecurity, and there's over 343,000 Missourians who are experiencing hunger. The food banks have really been hammered by people, because of the economy right now. So they need extra help. And it happens all over the state. It's not just one place or the other. In highly populated suburban areas, there are people in need who are least likely to be receiving the help that they need. But then in the rural counties, they have a bigger concentration of high need, but they do get services more readily. So it's one way or the other. It doesn't all balance out. But so we need everybody to pitch in and donate. And there's going to be 6 locations across the state. We have places in Kansas City, St. Louis, St. Joe, Macon, Ozark, and Fredericktown. I am going to put the links for everything in the notes for this if you're watching on Mom TV, and I will put it on my blog post if you're all watching on Robin's Online World. If you're watching on YouTube, I will include the notes in there. So even if you can't attend one of the events in your area of the state, you can help by sharing on Facebook or on Twitter, or just telling people that you know. Just share the information so that maybe we can get some more people to these events and donating and help fill up our food banks across the state of Missouri to help other Missourians out. So I appreciate your time, and spread the word, and let's help each other out. Bye, everybody.